In this demo, I'll use shovels to move data between queues in different domains while handling connectivity issues. As I mentioned in the previous course, the shovel plugin is similar to Federation in that it is used to connect different exchanges and queues between RabbitMQ brokers over the internet. The shovel shares many similarities with Federation, such as the fact that it is loosely coupled, good for intermittent WAN connection, and highly customizable. The difference between Federation and the shovel is that the shovel works at a lower level and offers more control in how messages are moved between brokers. The shovel first establishes a connection to both source and destination brokers, and then it consumes messages from the source queue or exchange and publishes them to the destination broker's queue or exchange. By default, the exchange name and routing key is used when the shovel republishes messages to the destination queue. Similarly to Federation, the shovel plugin comes pre-packaged with RabbitMQ, and it needs to be enabled along with its management plugin. There are two ways to configure shovels, the first being the static way with the RabbitMQ configuration file, and the second being the dynamic way with RabbitMQ runtime parameters. Shovels are just like Federation and can be used alongside with RabbitMQ clusters in this case. So the first thing we're going to do is that we're actually going to go in and enable our plugin and make sure it's running. We could do this by running the RabbitMQ-plugins enable RabbitMQ_shovel. And we want to also enable the management plugin, so RabbitMQ-plugins enable RabbitMQ_shovel management. Now, if I enable just shovel management, it'll also enable the RabbitMQ shovel plugin. So I'll do this on both nodes. And I see that they've been enabled. So the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to create a shovel. And I'll do this by the RabbitMQ-ctl command, set_parameter shovel new-shovel. So this is creating a dynamic shovel. And the source URI I'll enter as the node I'm connecting from that I'm creating the shovel on. The source queue will be cool queue, and the destination URI will be the node I want to send the messages to into awesome queue. And the destination URI is just client9486.keras.com. So I'll go ahead and create that shovel. And once the shovel's created, I could get the status of the shovel by using the sudo RabbitMQ-ctl eval rabbit_shovel_status. That's just going to display our one shovel that we have created, and we're going to be able to see that it's a dynamic shovel because we use command line arguments to define it. It's running its source URI, which is work9485, and its destination URI, which is client9486.keras.com. So let's go into our management portal. And we could see under the admin tab, since we enabled the shovel plugin, we have shovel status and shovel management. Under shovel management, we could create a new shovel and shovel status.